Hey guys, it's me, your friend, Miss Spicy X, and you are back on the Spicy X channel. And today we are going to be reacting to Rivermaya Balisong. But, like always guys, before we go any further, you know exactly what to do. Go grab something spicy from your fridge, from your pantry, come right back. I brought chocolate bar today. It's already half eaten. I took a huge bite. Look at that. That was one bite. It's so good. I would share it with you, but I put my mouth on it. I don't think you would want to eat after me. I'm sorry, lots of chewing, but I'm going to edit it all out. Anyways, I will give you 2 seconds. Go grab it and come right back. 1, 2, let's go.
Your face lights up the sky on the highway. Someday you share your world with me. Someday you mesmerize me with diamond eyes. I try to fool myself to think I'll be alright, but I am losing all control. My mind, my heart, my body and my soul. Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's made me feel this way before. You're everything I wanted and more.
Very chromatic there, huh?
Speak or not to, where to begin? The great dilemmas I'm finding myself in. For all I know, you only see me as a friend. I try to tell myself, wake up fool, this fairy tale's got to end. Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's made me feel this way before. You're everything I wanted. Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's made me feel this way before. You're everything I wanted. You're everything I wanted.
Wow. That one really, 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 really. That one almost made me emotional. Such a beautiful song. I'm not sure if anybody recommended this one to me, but I really liked it. Anyways, don't think about it too much because I don't want to cry. Wow, I really liked it so much. That was a good one by them. That was a really good one by them. Rivermaya. I love Rivermaya. It's so good. There are just so many old bands to react to, guys. So many that I want to see, but good thing I have this platform to do it. So, with that said, I just wanted to say, this one, to me, analyzing the song, I get comments on both sides. They're like, oh, well, Spicy, you didn't analyze the song. Spicy, you paid attention too much to the music video. You did this, you did that. All that aside, I'm just going to give my opinion. I really like the music video one. Very, very... like I said, these songs trigger memories to me, like certain sounds. I don't know if y'all have the same thing. Where just, you know, certain notes remind you of things. Certain phrases remind you of things. And they're trigger words. And you're like, wow. But reading it and seeing those memories reminded me of my own. But not only that, analyzing the music side of it, this one was very acoustic guitar ridden. And I enjoyed it because usually the acoustic guitar doesn't get... I'm gonna be real. Acoustic guitar doesn't really have a voice. And most music, it's very... You can only hear it when literally it's just the singer and the guitarist together. And they're always getting overpowered. Sometimes I think in the back of my mind, why even have an acoustic guitar if you can't hear it? But in this case, it was perfectly evened out. You could hear it all the way through. It wasn't overpowered. Very well mixed, I will say. Best quality of its time. Well, one of the best qualities of its time. And also, 10 out of 10 on the retro look. But that just comes with it just because it's old. Anyways, guys, please put in the comments section down below which other music video you would like for me to react to. One that hopefully won't get blocked. And if it does, of course, it'll end up on Instagram. And with that said, guys, I hope that you all have a good day. And if not, I hope it gets better. And don't forget to eat something spicy because your mom told you to. Have a nice day.